Yeah. So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah. So today, I think some people have been asking me like how to do video withdrawing money from the bot so that they will know that it's very true and stuff. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this video today. Yeah. So if you want to check how I trade on the boats, I've uploaded new video on Randall Tech. You can check it out. Yeah. So let's go through together. Yeah. So if you want to trade on, you come to the arbitrage here, then you trade. You click on start arbitrage, but I've already done with my trades on this demo account. This one is my demonstration. Yeah, it's a demonstration account. That doesn't mean if I say demo, that doesn't mean it's not real. It's real, but it's for demonstration. That is why I'm using just $10. Yeah, I have real accounts that I have like 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. Yeah, but this one I just use this one for demonstrations. Yeah, so let me withdraw money from it for you to see. Yeah, so when you're done trading, the money will be in your regular wallet. Over here you can transfer money from regular wallet to arbitrage wallet. Yeah, so you can see that I have money in my regular wallet, right? Yeah, so let me transfer it. So let me go to my wallet here. Let me go to withdraw. So here I'll select BSC. Yeah, and I'll select all, but let me do it like 13. So it means I'll be getting 12. For the fee is what, 1 USDT. Yeah, so I'll just close it, come to my Bybit wallet here, then I'll click on deposit crypto USDT BEP20, right? So I'll copy the address here, come to the platform here, and I'll paste the address in the bot and I'll submit it. So here you have to enter your fund password. Then the 2FA. So the 2FA, let me open the authenticator. That one I'll make it black. I will not let you see. So authenticator, this one is the arbitrage here. Then I'll paste it, I'll confirm it. So you can see that I've withdraw the money, right? So you can see this is my withdrawals. Like I've withdraw 10, 3, 6, I've withdraw more. Like I've withdrawn more, like here, just small one up here. I've withdrawn more. I've even withdrawn 21 USDT and stuff over there here. Yeah, so you can see that right now withdrawal request created, and it's under review. Yeah, so it takes 5 to 10 minutes, then you will receive your money. So right now, if I come to my wallet here, you can see that I have 0.8. Yeah, so let's wait and see if I will get the money in my USDT or not. Yeah, so let's wait. Yeah, so after a few minutes, you can see that right now it's completed, right? It's completed. So let me go to my Bybit and let's see. So let me go to my Bybit and let's see. You can see that the 12 is in my accounts right now. So let me go to like history so that we see. You can see that 12 USDT is just in. You see that then? Yeah, so that's how you should make money with the AI bots. I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.